Hear he, gather round. The king is back from up north where he slayed the gorilla, and he's back to his crown jewel, the 2021 Riverstone 39FKTH Legacy Edition, introducing the king!
I never get used to an introduction like that. For I am a king, and check out my kitchen. There are countertops everywhere for everyone to cook for me, and even a little moat around the island for food you can't have, 'cause you are not I. Little accent lights so you can see accently, and residential bulbs. That microwave has stir-fry mode, because I, a king, must have things like a microwave with stir-fry mode. Perch on the overlook and watch my massive TV with a built-in DVD player and a soundbar and a fireplace. Those sofas make beds, and that recliner has a wee little button that you can push for a cup holder. Check out my bathroom. Real tiles, accent lighting, and a shower which you can sit. And don't forget the porcelain throne where you can tape royal dumps. That bed will rise to the roof if you make it. So much cabinetry. A closet with a washer and dryer? I'll never use it, for I am a king. And a second fireplace, because I must have not one, but 2 fireplaces. Take one more look at the good life. You could have it if you're rich. 106,000 dead presidents for this bad boy. Riverstone Legacy Edition. Full body paint. We will name it Blue Thunder. Onin generator to power this mad beast. I can take it anywhere with have no fear. Fury on camera system in case peasants try to break in. They are not worthy. I'll put one on either side, one in front of the door, and one to guard my toy hauler where I place my precious. An inverter. Auto leveling. Do you think a king levels? No, he does it automatically. That is nice. More storage for more kingly crowns. Even more storage for more kingly crowns. A power cord reel. I do nothing by myself. And there it is, where I can put my royal horses. That will rise. Rise! If you enjoy my videos, you must subscribe, or else I will make no more. An exterior TV. And my pass-through storage. Adios, peasants.